we're going to make a simple and easy recipe. This recipe is called egg fried rice, and here's all the ingredients. You could even call that Chinese rice. And the ingredients you need to make this are some rice soaked in some water, some olive oil, some pepper, some red chili flakes, some salt, some spring onions, some mixed vegetables, some scrambled eggs, some cabbage. This kind of looks like cheese, but it's not cheese, this is cabbage, and some chicken breast cut into some cubes. Oh, and I almost forgot, we have 3 friends who come to help us in making the egg fried. Oil in a pan, and now we're going to add the chicken in here. So let's start by adding the chicken in this. It makes us splash. Fry the chicken until it's cooked. Take the chicken out, and then I'm going to allow Rocky to put in the cabbage until it is soft. So let's dump them all. And then oh my gosh, how beautiful this looks. It's so colourful. So at this stage you're going to add spices, so then it's going to add the salt. Then we allow Miles from tomorrow to add the red chili flakes. And I'm going to add a little bit of light sweetness. And we'll add some pepper. Don't use the black powder one, otherwise the rice will be black. Only the grounded one, like this. So add the pepper, just a little bit. So off the flame, and then add fried eggs, the chicken, and the spring onions. And then give it a mix. All our ingredients have been mixed. Don't forget, while you're making this, only use light soy sauce and this type of pepper, not the powdered black one, just this. Otherwise your rice will be black. Let's boil the rice. Our rice has been boiled and strained. Now we're going to add them in this mixture. So let's start by putting the rice, and don't forget to put the flame on. So let's add the rice. Whoa. You can see this rice is hot. Add it little by little at a time, not too much or the full bowl. Just added the rice in here and we've toasted it. All we need to do is cook it for 2 to 3 minutes, then it's ready to eat.